Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports. This is a bit of a rare one for us. We wouldn't really have this type of car in stock other than we've took it in part exchange due to its age and mileage, but we've driven this around and it drives beautiful. We're going to get it serviced and MOT'd. It's in fantastic condition. It's also the limited edition Grand, which has a lot of extras on it. 300 CDI, lovely engine. But anyway, I'll go around the car for you. As you can see, it's got front park distance control. There's really just no scuffs. The bodywork is in superb condition. Anthracite alloy wheels, side steps, privacy glass to the rear. Boot area in fantastic condition. Even got the boot carpet protector there. So the car's been looked after when it's got those. As you can see, bumpers just in lovely condition. Got to consider now this car's 16 years old. Bumper there, no scuffs. Fantastic condition. Even the mirror. Absolutely lovely. And I love the interior. It's the limited edition. It's got the white stitch piping. It's proper leather interior. As you can see, it's got this lovely piano black finish here. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. There's no wear even on the bolster. Look at that, 140,000 miles. Auto headlights. I'm gone 144, 401 miles it's shown at the moment. That might go up because we're going to run around in this for a little bit. Still got a bit of diesel in it. It's the Grand Edition. All this lovely piano wood finish here. Satellite navigation. Heated seats, we'll just see if they work. The aircon definitely works because we've had that on and that is blowing beautifully in cold. Electric folding mirrors, they even work. Electric windows all work. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control. Centre armrest. Park distance control with a camera. Even got a camera. Climate control. Handbooks all there. Locking wheel nut. Look at that. It all operates lovely. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.